Welcome to the lesson on plane mirror reflections and the orientation to reflections. On the picture here we have a mirror, and the straight line indicates the reflective side of the mirror, and the dashed lines indicate the back of the mirror that's not reflective. The object is in red here, and the distance away from the mirror surface is the displacement of the object, which is SO. And the distance the image is going to be away from the back of the mirror is going to be the displacement of the image, which is SI. When we draw an image in a plane mirror, the distance that it is behind the mirror is exactly the same as the distance in front of the mirror. So you just go ahead and put it in there, and the other quality is that the height of the object is also the same height as the original object. So our distance, or the height of the object, is equal to the height of the image. Now, whenever it occurs closest to the mirror, will also occur closest to the back side of the mirror. So our line right here was closest to the mirror, so it's closest to the back side of the mirror. The half circle is further away, so the half circle is going to be further away from the image, so you get your mirror image. Next, we want to follow a light ray from the image to your eye to see how it works. So we're going to place an eyeball right here. We put a little wedge with a little eye in there, I suppose. And you're going to do this with a ruler. You follow the light ray from where the image is in the back of our picture, and we put a dashed line behind the mirror, and then when you get in front of the mirror, it's a solid line, and that's represents an actual light ray. The dashed line represents a virtual ray, which we just think is there, but it's not really there. We always think that the light comes straight into our eyes. But what really happened is the light ray from the bottom of the image hit the mirror and reflected into our eyes. And the angle of incidence, which is the angle that it hit the mirror in, is always going to be equal to the angle that it bounces off with and hits our eye. So the light came from the object, hit the mirror, and went into our eye. We do the same process for the top of the image. We go from the image, dash the line behind the mirror, and then put a straight line to our eyeball in front of the mirror. I match that straight line that I just made in front of the mirror with the top of the image, sending a light beam, hitting the mirror, and then it reflects into my eye. So now I'm done with my ray image diagram.